Now I'm going to pose this question to you right here in the comments below. You let me know, penalty or no penalty. As you can see, Jet Lawrence made a perfectly safe, good block pass, and yet somehow Forkner still ends up in front. As you can see, Forkner is leading through the whoops. Jet Lawrence gets a very good run through it and cuts right down, blocks him off, and as you can see, bam, Forkner's off track and still hard accelerate. So we're going to go through the rule book from the AMA. 1A, whatever you want to call it. A rider leaving the course may continue the race by properly re-entering the track at the closest safe point to where the rider left the course without gaining an advantage. Which, as you can see, he did enter back where he should have. Part 1 and 2 of this, we're going to put these together. 1, while of course the rider may not accelerate in an unsafe manner. And 2, if a rider accelerates in an unsafe manner while off course or cuts part of the race course, the rider may be determined to have gained an advantage without gaining a position. Which you can see from these two different angles and the rooster tail right there. And right there, he's already accelerating as he's off track. Now 3 is it will be the duty of the race director or his designee to make the determination as to whether a rider gained an advantage by leaving the race course and re-entering. Now granted, this doesn't say gain a place, it's gain an advantage. Now number 4 is the penalty for gaining an advantage while off course during a race will be the loss of a number of positions, gained plus 1 additional position in the final results of the race. If no positions were gained, the penalty will be the loss of 1 position in the final results of the race. And after his pass back around Jet Lawrence, he would eventually come, they had a good race together, a good fight. Didn't really matter so much for Jet Lawrence, obviously being so far ahead in the points, but it's still, the question becomes, who knows? Later on, Forkner would catch Pierce Brown and end up passing him for the lead, and Forkner would just, finish there. This is his first win in 2 years. Jet Lawrence would follow him through and end up finishing second, so it really didn't matter for who much. And you can probably kind of say that Jet Lawrence might have backed off, just said, I'm going to take the championship. I don't need to fight for the win. But the question becomes, like, is it obviously, some not so angry looking banter at the end, so that's good, but the question becomes, it's like, was he off track and breaking a rule by accelerating, or was he not, like they've done to Jason, or they penalized Jason Anderson early on this year? So you tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.